Good morning, everyone. It is morning. It's Melody Lane here. And you can tell outside. Look, it's pouring down rain. It was really hard a minute ago. And I even tried to fix my hair and now it's all wet. So that's what I get for fixing my hair. It has to rain. Alright, I'm not going to let it ruin my day. Brought my laptop to work so I can work on some videos for you. Okay, I'll catch back with you later. Bye!
Go.
So here's the salon. And I took videos of each station up close for our salon channel. So when I get those done, I will give you a link. We have scary ghosts. Here's my station. And there's my little house down there.
Boo.
He's trying to hide. It's Derek. But, and one of my favorite parts...
Philip's here!
They're making fun of me. Look at that drain sticker. Isn't that cool? I love that sticker.
There you go.
It's Derek Phillips here.
Good morning. It's Melody Lane here. It's not really morning.
They think they're funny. They are funny. How scary. This is the box I found on my porch when I got home. Let's hope that everything inside is okay. But he thought he was putting it under the awning, but he didn't, because I think this hole was caused from rain. We had a couple rainstorms today, and the mailman just brings it like this. Let's see, because most of the stuff is for my subscribers for my giveaway. This is from Cricket Machine. And I'm just using my phone. I think these are okay. Ooh, that's really wide tape. I never had tape that wide. Kind of wet. Boy, that is really wide tape. It's like 1 inch wide. It's really good, strong tape. I thought I got 5 of these big wide ones. 2, 3, there's 4. But I got more than 5. Maybe I did buy extra. Huh. Oh, I did. I got 10 of these. And then I got 5 of these because they were buy 1 and get 4 free. And actually, I thought this size was more like this size. 1/2 inch. That's 1 1/16 inch. That's big. Got a big project. So these will go to my winners. And look what else I got. I got another Wreck Princess. So I will have 2 Wreck Princesses to give away. And Groovy Times. I love this Groovy Times. I have this cartridge and I love it. So this is for my giveaway. Look at that. Isn't that cool? But I will do another video. And these are also for my giveaway. The Nitty Nifter. The Nifty Knitter. Say that 5 times. Nifty Knitter, Nifty Knitter, Nifty Knitter. Because first I said Nitty Nifter. But it has a little tool in there. and a thing where you can, look, you can make that bag. Scarves, ponchos, much more. So if you've never used one of these, you should try it. I think I have 5 of those. I think that's it. I think. Let me see. I got 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yeah, I think I got 5 total of these. So you guys got a preview of my haul. I'm going to make another video of all this and my other stuff too. It's for my craft channel. I just got home from work, so I need to clean my craft room and edit this video for you for tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow in another video. Bye!